Hey, good Tuesday morning here at the Fosterdale Motor Lodge. We got so far about a foot, still coming down. But I did want to take a look at the bird feeders. This is a little junco down at the bottom of the feeder. I'm going to go over to the left one there. We have a whole flock of red-winged blackbirds here this morning. Seems like they came and told their friends. It looks like right here, these are the goldfinches. They're all out. Feeder in the back is out. See if I can get a close-up of this goldfinch right here, how they search around and look for the right seed for themselves. They usually knock a couple down for these guys down here. I guess it's teamwork at its best. You can see how busy it is here today. These guys are really eating and putting it away during this blizzard. Yes, we do have the blizzard up here in Sullivan County. I was just watching the New York City news, and according to them, they just have some few inches on the ground and some sleet and some rain coming. But here, so far, we have about a foot. I'll be going out there shoveling in a little while, clearing the opening to our doorway. And then we have the plow trucks going through our parking lot a little later. But this is just wonderful watching the birds this morning. Seems like everybody, their cousins, their friends, all came to the feeding stations. These are the goldfinches and the little chickadees right here. Go over to the red-winged blackbirds right here. Looks like they're on every possible spot. Hey guys. Well, at least they're having a good time. Well, I'm going to get the shovel. A lot easier shoveling 1 foot of snow than 2 or 3 foot of snow. So I'm going to go out there and do it now. We're expected to get this snow all day long. We do have the blizzard conditions here in Sullivan County. So we'll get rid of this 1 foot of snow, and then sometime around noon or so, we'll get rid of the other foot that's going to be slowly following. Meanwhile, I'm going to enjoy the birds, have a cup of tea before I go out there and start shoveling. Everyone, please be safe. Stay off the roads, of course. Almost everyone should be home from work. Take it easy. And keep in mind, spring is only a couple of weeks away. Have a great day, everybody.